Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to sell XRP on Binance. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Binance.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. On the main menu, navigate to the Trade tab. Choose Spot if you are selling XRP directly for another currency like USDT, BTC, or fiat currency. Now, click on the search bar and type XRP here. In the trading interface, you can find the trading pair you want. For example, if you want to sell XRP for USDT, search for XRP/USDT. Now, scroll down a little and you can see Sell XRP button here. Then you need to set the amount of XRP you want to sell. You can either type in a specific amount or use the percentage option. After entering your details, click on Sell XRP button. Confirm your order detail and Binance will process your transaction based on the order type. Once the sale is complete, you can check your balance to see the fund you received from selling XRP. So that is how you can sell XRP on Binance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.